Thankful ako sa NGOs because they've been a big part, especially this recent earthquake crisis. So they did not provide lang yung aid, yung mga resources, but also yung technical expertise nila, yung services such as yung nakonduct natin ngayon na psychological first aid. Oo, yun, very, very helpful for the teachers.
I feel relieved kasi na ipalabas na kung ano yung mga takot na naramdaman namin during the 7.8 na lindol.
Kapag hindi po na-release yung nervousness and fear ng isang teacher, so possibility po maipapasa din po yun sa learners.
We only have 4 trained nurses. With partnership sa World Vision, we had a pool of trainers, about 35 trained. So this team, ito yung team na dinala ko here para mag-conduct ng PFA.
Isa din itong preparation na kung magbalik na yung face-to-face classes, at least wala na kami hino-hold back na emotion at we can assess na wholeheartedly yung mga students namin kasi okay na yung sarili namin na handle na ipalabas namin yung emotion namin. So it is our time to handle naman ng emotions ng mga student namin.